Good evening, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Once again, I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Viewers, in the last video, due to technical glitch, I could not show how to create a package and how to use the package from another program. So today, first of all, I'm going to show how to create a package and how to use it into another program, right? As well as today, I'll be discussing what is called Java constructor, right? So I'm going to show you the screen first. So first of all, we will discuss our program. So I'm going to share my program screen to everyone. Now you can notice out here in the program screen, I have one file called demo.java. So you can notice out here in this particular program, using the package keyword, I am creating a package called data. Within this package, I want that the class needs to be stored named as demo. In this particular class, or you can say later on after compilation, if we create a bytecode, we are going to have a method called show. Another method is called view, right? Now within this, we have their own statement. Like in the show method, I have written view, hi everyone. In the view method, I have written only hello. And just you can notice, we don't have main method out here. Now, I'll be using this particular package from another class that is called package test. So, in this particular class, I'm going to make use of a package which we have created. So, obviously, the package which we have created through the last program, it was data. And within that package, we had a class called demo. That is why I'm going to import it just by having a statement import data.demo. Right. Now, once it is getting imported, so we are in a condition to use that particular class inside this program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a object of demo class since we have imported into my current program. And once we have created an object, then we can call the method of demo program as show method and the view method, right? So this was the program just I have recalled to everyone. Now I'm going to execute this program. So obviously in order to execute it, I need to share my another screen, right? So I'm going to share my another screen. So I'm going to share my console window to you. I hope my console window is visible to everyone, right? My console window is visible to everyone, right? Now, in this console window, I'll show you here. I have a class, already class we have created. So I'll clean all my previous class. So I'll delete whatever class we have already, and then we'll delete a content from data folder. That is a already created package. So I'm going to clean it first, then we will recreate it again. Now you can see my content of this particular folder. I have saved only two files, demo.java and package test.java. You must have recalled, just now I have shown you to these two files to you, right? So first of all, I need to compile the program which has the package statement. Since that program is having a package statement that need to be compiled with -d option. So I write Java C -d, and the package which is going to be created out at runtime, that should be created in the current folder. Current folder is package folder. So I'll be writing dot, and then name of the file in which I wanted to create a package. So my file name was demo.java. Once I create this, now you can see my folder content. New folder got created data. Obviously, this is the folder for package. Now let us see what is there inside. If you want to see the content of data, so I'll go inside the data. If I say dir, you can see out here, the bytecode got created out here, right? Now this bytecode need to be used inside another program that is called package test.java, right? So I'll come back from this particular folder. Now I'll compile package test.java. Now, since the package test.java is going to import demo class, so no need to compile with -d option, right? Because we are not going to create a package out. So what I can do is I am going to write Java C followed by name of the file which I wanted to execute, compile, sorry. So this is a file, package test.java. So if I compile, obviously class file for this is going to be created, package test.class. Now I want to run. So in order to run, command is Java followed by package test dot, only package test. And you can notice both the methods are getting executed, right? And from both the methods, this kind of output we have got it. So this was the thing. Due to technical glitch, I could not show it to you. So that is why I'm going to update your concept, because many viewers has given the comment regarding that didn't get the console window. So this is a console window for you. So now I'll be talking and I'll be discussing the briefing about the constructor of a class, right? So in order to discuss the constructor of a class, here. So let me close this particular window. I'm going to stopping the sharing. Right. So now we are going to talk about the concept of constructor of a class. Right. So in order to understand the concept of constructor, we can define that constructor is a very, very special kind of methods in a program that is used to initialize newly created object with the instance variable. As already we have discussed, inside the class you can create instance variable. Before using those variable, you may initialize those variables, right? So whenever you are going to create a object of that particular class, automatically that constructor will be called, and within a constructor we are going to initialize, we are going to make use of instance variable for initializing with certain values, right? So whenever now we can redefine it. So in nutshell, we can say constructor is a special method that is used to initialize a newly created object, and it is called just after memory is allocated for a given object, right? It can be used to initialize the object to certain desired value or default value at the time of object creation, right? So it is not mandatory for any programmer or coder to write a constructor for a class, but this is a better practice, or the good practice. We must use a constructor in a class, which is going to help you, which is going to assist you in order to initialize instance variable within the object. Assume that if you have not defined any constructor in a class, right? So your compiler is going to initialize your instance variable to a class with their default values. Like it can have a numeric data type will be set automatically to 0 because the default value of numeric data type in Java is 0, right? If you're having another data type other than numeric, let's say if you're having a character data type, it will be initialized with null. And if you're going to have a reference variable, obviously it is also going to be initialized with null. Now, whenever you are going to write a constructor method in a class, we need to follow certain rules, right? The first rule is that your constructor method name has to be same as class name, right? And it should not have any return data type, not even void. You may have the access specifier as public or default, but it should not have any return data type. What generally we write void for any kind of function if function does not return anywhere, right? So we have to take care of this thing. So this is mandatory for everyone to understand it, right? So in the next video, I'll be showing to you how to write a program for constructor and how we can execute it and how it is going to help. As well as in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to overload constructor method of a class. So next video is going to be very, very interesting video for everyone, interesting and quite informative video for everyone. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for the day. But before leaving this video, again, I wanted to request everyone, if you have liked this particular video, please click on like button. If you are new to this particular channel, please do subscribe this particular channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, automatically first notification will go to you regarding whenever I'm going to upload my video to you. The notification will go to you. And if you have any sort of doubt or queries related to this particular video and related to the topic which I have covered in this particular video, do write your questions or any sort of comment or any sort of feedback about this particular video in the comment section. If you're having any sort of queries, immediately I'll reply back to you as soon as I'll see your queries. Thanks all everyone for watching this particular video. See you in the next video with the concept of constructor overloading as well as their live programs. Thanks for watching.